In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the formula bar in Microsoft Excel. If you're looking to maximize your workspace or simply prefer a cleaner interface while you work, hiding the formula bar is a quick and reversible change. The formula bar is the long box near the top of the Excel window that displays the contents of the currently selected cell. It's useful for writing and editing formulas, but if you're not using it constantly, clearing it from view can give you a little more room to focus on your data. Here's how to do it. Start by making sure your Excel workbook is open and active. Look toward the top of the window and click on View. Depending on your version of Excel, this might be a tab on the ribbon or a menu option at the top of the screen. Either way, you're heading into the place that controls how Excel looks on your screen. Once you're in View, look for an option labeled Formula Bar. You'll see it presented with a checkbox next to it. To hide the formula bar, simply uncheck the formula bar box. The change happens immediately. You'll notice the formula bar disappear from the top of the worksheet area, and your grid will shift up slightly, giving you a bit more vertical space to see your rows. Nothing in your workbook is deleted or changed by doing this. Your formulas, values, and formatting remain exactly the same. You're only adjusting the way Excel's interface is displayed. You can still edit directly in the cells, and your calculations continue to work as usual. If you want to bring the formula bar back later, return to the same view location and check the formula bar box again. It's the same control, and it toggles the feature on and off. This setting typically applies to the Excel window you're working in, so it's a handy switch you can use whenever you need more room or more visibility. A quick tip: if you work on smaller screens or with large data sets, hiding the formula bar can make scrolling and viewing much more comfortable. When you're building complex formulas, turn it back on so you can see the full expression clearly without squeezing it into a cell. That's all it takes. Click on View, then uncheck the formula bar, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you streamline your workspace, consider applying the same approach whenever you want a distraction-free view of